Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2019 Chevy Trax. Now, all Apple Chevrolet customers can earn 14% off the 2019 Trax with the chance to earn up to 21% off. Now, customers can also choose our standalone offer, which is 0% APR financing for 72 months, plus an additional $500 for qualified buyers. Now, when it comes to this specific vehicle, it is an LT that comes with our back tinted windows and aluminum wheels. When we get in our vehicle, we can see that we do have cloth and leather seating, our standard cruise control, and a brand new Chevy MyLink radio. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.